In this video, we'll be discussing the study I mentioned previously, and we'll also be delving into the overall comparison of the two studies. In this study, the setup was a bit different than the previous one. The students were asked which pre-writing strategy out of 4 they prefer, and it was found that not only do the results show that the students preferred brainstorming out of the 4, but that they benefited greatly from brainstorming before writing. I myself have never liked pre-writing, but when I had to, I'd always gravitate towards brainstorming as opposed to other strategies, so I can relate to this claim. At this point, we've gathered quite a bit of evidence that indicates that brainstorming before writing is beneficial. Now, when comparing the studies, we can see that both claim that students prefer brainstorming over other pre-writing strategies, and they also claim that brainstorming improves overall writing quality. However, in the second study, the final essays aren't analyzed by instructors like they are in the first one. The students are trusted to provide accurate information about their essays, like whether or not they actually improved. A small problem, but the chances of students lying about such a thing are very low, especially when taking part in a study. Now, when we circle back to the first example I gave you, the TED Talk, the claims made by Thompson are in a bit of a different realm than the two studies, but are good examples of brainstorming being used outside of the writing sphere and still being useful. I think his experiences served to provide a kind of affirmation that brainstorming is useful in complex areas such as product development and inventions, and if that's so, then why would it not be useful in something as simple as writing?